Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely fantastic 2018 Range Rover Velar. Now this is the R-Dynamic S model and it's the 250 petrol engine. So it's a P250 and it's absolutely wonderful. Loaded with features, many extras on that. So we'll look round the car and I'll show you the extras that this has over the standard vehicle. Now the car's finished in Santorini Black Metallic, which is a premium palette colour, lovely colour indeed, and it's sat on the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Now straight away you can see that this has got the full exterior black package. So the black exterior design pack is all the external detail all in black. So let's take a look, shall we? So the wheels, they're the 20-inch in gloss black high gloss finish. You can get them in matte, but these are high gloss finish and they're riding on fantastic Goodyear Eagle F1 tyres. Now the R-Dynamic has the exterior body styling, which has more dynamic front and back bumpers. Now the black package is the power vents on the doors. They run through the wing and then onto the door there in high gloss black. Range Rover power vents in the bonnet. The badges are all gloss black as well, and the grille, the centre grille's normally silver, but on a black package car that is in high noble black finish. Now this particular one has the signature headlamps as well. Now the Dynamic has a different front bumper bottom spoiler, so that's a more aggressive feature there, and then the black package where these vents and power vents, shall we call them, they're in like a copper colour, but on a black package they're all in black, as you can see. But it gives it that far more dynamic look that everybody associates with this particular vehicle. All the wheels, as I say, are in perfect order and are also driving all on perfect Goodyear tyres. Looking down the side of the car, we're free from trolley dent. The bottom spoilers, as you can see, are also in high gloss black finish. This is obviously a keyless car, so the door handles are out at the moment, but if you press this little button here, keys are in pocket, it is now locked. Privacy glass in the back is an extra. So the black package and the privacy glass on the rear of the vehicle are all factory extras. Now the Velar P250S there, as you can see, designates what the size of the brake horsepower of the engine is. The rear of the vehicle then gets the rear diffuser in power, high gloss black, and again the tailgate badge is in that as well. Opening that electric tailgate, we're greeted with this fantastically large boot, and it's got a brand new load liner in there. So as you can see, it's very, very well maintained and cared for. That roller blinds there, and you'll be pleased to know this particular model does have a spare wheel. Spare wheels on a Velar are an optional extra. It's all listed in the words, the factory extras on this particular vehicle. So we check against the build, against the factory, so we know that when you're looking at the cars and considering which one you're going to buy, you can compare the specification, because specification is everything on a Velar. You can buy a basic Velar for the same money as you can buy our car, because we do the research, we do the finding, we spend hours finding these particular vehicles with the high specification. So the driver's side is also free from trolley dent and it replicates the passenger and is all in perfect order. There's another, that's the driver's wheel, and that is again on a Goodyear F1. So let's say full matching Goodyear branded tyres, perfect gloss black wheels, fantastic paintwork. Our detailers, they might have touched the odd stone chip, etc. around the vehicle, but this is in exceptional order. Now this is married with a full Range Rover service history with this car as well. 2 keys, full book pack, 2 owners. I've just pressed the button, it opens again. Now the options when you start looking at these cars are internal as well. So this particular model has got the Meridian sound system factory option. We've got the driver's memory seat factory option. Power folded mirrors, 4 electric windows are standard, electric seats are standard. Now this particular one, we've got the steel tread plates that say R-Dynamic, full set of tailored carpet mats, aluminium pedals, but the seat itself is in as good as new conditions. That's a black mix of Alcantara, black leather and a lovely white contrast stitch. Now it's a semi-aniline leather interior, so it's got little holes in it which just allows it to breathe. Those seats are heated, but as I get in the vehicle I shall start her up. As you can see there, we've got a mileage of 30,060 as I press the button, and if by magic she starts up. Lovely raspy engine, nice to drive these petrols. I've got a diesel one myself. I do admit they are just awesome to drive. Now, the latest digital LCD screens are here, so we can have a variety of screen here. So your settings, display, seats are heated there, climate control, but working the vehicle's very, very simple. 8-speed transmission, and then we've got the navigation system, so everything's touchscreen. Navigation system, press the home button, everything's home. Media player, so that can be Bluetooth music, DAB. Source, you just press there and you've got a variety of sources. This car also has Apple CarPlay. Connect it to your iPhone, connect it to your smartphone, and the screen on your smartphone comes onto this here. So if you've got Google Maps, you can do all of that, etc. You can voice control it, Bluetooth control it, go on the Range Rover site, set up your own account, and it will work from there. But all the books are in there. Also, you've got the black detailing that runs through on the dashboard, and then that sort of carbon fibre and aluminium mix on the doors. The passenger seat again is in as new condition and looks gorgeous. Now, as I pop up there, we've got that welcoming panoramic glass fixed roof on this one. There is a sunblind that comes over if you don't want it. We've got a heated front windscreen as well for winter. Now here we've got cruise control, lane change warning. So when I press that button there, a little up on the top there comes a little lane. If I wander out of the motorway lane, it gives a little vibration through the steering wheel. Nice if you are doing long distance. Paddle shift, automatic wipers and automatic headlamps to boot. What more can I say? Super car. So let's take a look in the rear, because that is as good as the front. Press the button there, out it comes. And in the rear then we have optional extra, we have electric tilting rear seats, which is nice as well. But the back seat here again is in perfect condition. This is a very, very nice car. Now if you have a look at our previously sold website, you see that we've always got 2 or 3 Velars in. These cars, let me tell you guys, are the best SUV on the market today. Pure luxury, great to drive. There's not a car that looks as good as this. Limited supply of them due to obviously the COVID crisis and then the downturn in the production of new vehicles. Velars were one of the cars which Land Rover decided they were going to slow production down on. So values have always been extremely high on these. Residual values are fantastic because they are arguably just a wonderful car to own and drive. Take that from me. So if you'd like to reserve it, I'm Graham, there's Dominic and there's Lee in sales. We'll take a £250 fully refundable deposit. That'll get the car ready for you so you can use our click and collect. Well, it only means you come to Wigan once. We just won again for Auto Trader for probably the 10 years on the trot, our highly rated for customer service award. So don't let us tell you what we do. Have a look at our reviews. Let customers who are buying cars off us today, yesterday and the week before. If you're considering coming from a long distance, we're very, very trusted. We are a business, a family run, and we've been doing this for over 40 years. Take a look on our Facebook page, subscribe to our videos on YouTube. Keep an eye on everything. We are a car fanatical business. We love cars. We love selling great cars, presenting them to the highest of standards, and then selling to really, really nice people. So if you want to buy a car which is in superb order and enjoy the buying process, then you've looked no further than Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Well, thanks for watching the video and look forward to your inquiry.